Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know. Now you do. Today we are going to talk fall and winter sewing and crochet plans. I know we are very far into fall already, okay? October just sort of like disappeared, so did September. I'm almost fully moved back into my room, but nothing is set up for sewing yet. Like things, the furniture is where it should be, but this corner is about the only thing I have organized, and there's still bins on the floor that you can't see. So let's talk my very short list of things I want to make this fall and winter. I'm giving myself 2 seasons because I know I am not going to finish any of this, probably, except one of them. One of them must be finished because I've been working on it for a while. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, I actually want to make the Winslow culottes. I will put a picture on the screen here. These are by Helen's Closet. I have the pattern already. I just need to tape it together, cut it out, and make the pants. I want to make the full length version, like all the way to the floor, and I want to make a few pairs because I think they are kind of the ideal work pant. And now that I have a professional job, I need work clothes, and I don't really have any work pants left, like dress pants kind of deal. All I have is what I would call soft pants that look like you could wear them to an office, and you can, but they're basically one level above sweatpants. And I've had them for so long that, like, I'm getting tired of them, and I would like to kind of add some like plainer ones, black, anything with pockets. Side note, if you can hear snoring in the background, that is Lexi, my brother's dog. She snores like a grown man, but weighs 11 pounds. So yes, anyway, I want to make Winslow culotte pants, whatever. They look super comfy, and I think it would be nice to just make multiple pairs, because then I can just reuse the pattern over and over again. Number 2 on my list is a shacket. I won't be able to wear it like outside necessarily for much longer, because it is the 21st of October, and yesterday it snowed a little. So it'll probably be sort of like an under my jacket or under my winter coat thing, or wear it home. But I want to make a shacket, and I want it to be out of like fleece or something super cozy, and like thick but not, and stretchy. I want it to be stretchy and oversized. So I'm going to use the Mood Fabrics free shacket pattern. I'll link it in the description along with any other patterns I talk about in here. And it's this one here that I'm gonna put on the screen right here in the space. Editing Danielle, you can solve that problem. Yeah, so I want to make that. Ideally, I would like to make it in like a lilac color. In the picture, they have like it's like a plaid pink and lilac, but I would like something. And fleece tends to go on like on discount in the winter because, you know, people are buying it a lot then. So you can usually get it a pretty good discount, but I just don't have the money these days to like buy new fabric. So I'm hoping I can find something in my stash to use. If not, I might buy an old blanket from the thrift store and use that instead. All right, number 3 is I want to finish my cardigan. I have been crocheting a cardigan since our renovation started in May. And I'm almost done. I'm on the 2nd sleeve. I've been filming a vlog of it the whole time, so that will eventually come out when I'm done. Anyway, so I've been working on the cardigan, and I'm so close to being done. And it's a beautiful color. It looks great. I get so many compliments on it when I'm working on it at Happy Thoughts, which is the store I work at on the weekends. And because in between customers, I can crochet like all day, right? So I want to finish the sleeve by the end of October. I mean, I only have 10 days left, so we'll see. And then once that's done, I just have to put it together and then do all the trimming. So I can't wait to show it to you guys, to be honest. I'm very excited. But there's no pattern for that because I just sort of made it up. And I'm not going to do like a tutorial on how I've made it. But it's meant to be quite like an oversized, semi-cropped cardigan with balloon sleeves. So hopefully that's what it actually looks like when I put it together. And number 4 on my to make list is a oversized crocheted sweater vest. Or I would not be opposed to Frankensteining together multiple already existing sweater vests to make an oversized sweater vest for myself. So we'll see. I might make both. I just think sweater vests sound like a great idea. Yeah, so I really want to make one. I found this really great one on Pinterest that was houndstooth pattern, but I don't know if I have the patience to do that quite yet with my crocheting. I really just like straight lines back and forth. So, and because I will most likely, if I'm crocheting it for myself, be making up the pattern as I go along, I don't know if I can do houndstooth. I was thinking about doing it sort of like a mesh style, so it's like little squares, which would be way faster, but I'm not sure like how warm it would be, you know? And I think a lot of things would get caught on it, but it would look cute. I've already bought the yarn, but I don't think I have enough, and I don't know if I'll be able to get enough. I bought this like purple, what is it, Kobayashi yarn, so it's cotton, bamboo, acrylic, and silk, I think, blend. And I got it from a local yarn store here called Pearl & J's Roving Yarn Truck. And yes, in fact, it is a mobile yarn studio or store. It's like a food truck, but for yarn. And it's great. And she has an online store. I'll link it because she will ship all over for you. And finally, I would like to make the holy grail of all holy grails right at the moment, a quilt jacket. I got this really great pattern, or I found a pattern I like for a jacket, like a cocoon coat almost. And I would like to take that and make it out of a quilt. A quilt that already exists. And I know it won't necessarily be like a winter jacket, but it will be a cute jacket, and I want to make one. The only problem is, because I would be relying on needing a quilt in order to make it, I would need to find one from the thrift store, and I have a feeling like most quilts go pretty fast at the thrift store, so that might be really hard. And because of my size, I would need it to be a very large quilt, so it would probably be sort of like the unicorn of all unicorns if I found the perfect quilt. So we'll see if it actually happens. I don't really expect this one to actually happen, but I would like it to happen desperately. Anyway, please tell me in the comments, what are you making this season? Do you want to see a video of me making any of these things? Obviously the cardigan's gonna happen. But do you want to see a video of me making the Winslow culottes or the Shacket or any of this when it happens? Let me know. I'd be happy to make it. What's that? Oh, it's a bruise. Okay. Yeah, anyways. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, you know where to leave them. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it with a friend. Come hang out next week. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.